Everyone seemed to let go of integrity and pride. In chase of a better deal, we sacrifice all ideals for a moment in the light. What can we do to make it right? Struggle against the odds, and no one is helping us to make order of this mess. There's a feeling I can't evade that rises when I'm afraid. Will we ever live again? There's so many things that should have been.
When we were parked at the light, I didn't realise how much skinnier yours is. Yours is almost narrower than mine almost.
I don't know why they've got that 130 on there. It should be a 160.
Oh, sure. It is a 130, is it?
Yeah. And
wow. I've got a wider bike than a Harley, a wider tyre than a Harley. Or a Shadow.
But you can get wider, can't you? Even on that rim, you can knock it out.
Oh yeah. Like I said though, I'm not sure why they've got that on there. Maybe when the bloke that had it before me, maybe that's all they had, or
How much they cost?
for a new tyre.
Yeah.
For the 160 to fit, that one's not too bad. About $200, 210 or something.
Yeah.
Not
That's
too
good. Mick, can you just go through, what have you been doing this week on the bike, mate? What have you done down here with the chain guard?
So fitted up a chain guard / all-in-one little mud guard there. Yep. As I've had the tail tidy fitted up, which gets rid of all this bloody ugly plastic that comes from stock.
So there was a stock thing on there.
Yeah, there's a stock tail, mud guard assembly that brought the number plate down to about here somewhere.
Yep.
And but it was ugly as, so chucked the tail tidy on, and then Mr. Plod said, "Hey, you need to have some sort of mud guard there, buddy."
So you got picked up?
Yeah, race round. Yeah, when the Perth cops were up, they sort of had a word to me about it, and so I went and spoke to the mate down where you get your yellow stickers and that done. Yeah. And told basically a couple of reflectors rearward facing, which. So
do we supposed to have reflectors?
This is what I've been told, but I don't know the law on it. But yeah. But yeah, Ray basically said rearward facing reflectors and put a mud guard of some sort on.
So Ray Moore's the one who does all the motorbikes?
Yeah, yep. Yeah, so he was nice enough to pass me, but told me get this done ASAP or I'll lose my ticket. So thank you, Ray.
This week on Two Wheel Scroungers, we head to the mighty town of Coolgardie.
Hello.
Blind Dog. Remember him, fella? I told you last week about the TV show he was in. Yep. Michael Wright.
Howdy guys.
Now you remember Michael from our Campbell trip. That's his bike.
Oh, just trying some still photos with the GoPro. I haven't never used it with the.
Hey, I don't know if we got this before. Hanksy, when we're down at the caravan down there, what did you have to drink as a hardcore biker?
I had a latte with 1 sugar.
Well, I had a latte too. So what we're trying to say, ladies and gentlemen, if you're a biker and all that, don't be scared. Don't be scared to go up the caravan and ask for a latte. Hey, you know, because they actually are a really nice drink.
It was magnificent.
Do you know Michael Wright actually likes Solo?
Solo.
Yeah. True.
Smash it down
First
like a
quenchy.
solid.
Oh, love it.
Gets about one mouthful and the rest goes all over his face. Fucking,
Don't forget that 70s fucking sweatband.
oh, yes. And the girls with the hairy muffs.